So this is my old MagSafe. As you see, it had its days. This kept coming off. I don't know how. Honestly, if anybody know the reasons for this burning off, leave a comment. Let me know why this happens. So this is what I bought to replace it. It's very identical in size without the Apple logo. It's actually a little smaller, but it looks very much like it. Very much. Even have the lightings where it's green, and then if it's charging, if you have low battery on the laptop, it will be orange. So it actually works the same way at half the price than the actual. And it looks the same if anything's a little smaller. So here's a description for $39.95. Not that bad. Just make sure you get the correct one. For my case, I need the 85 watt. For the Airs and the small MacBook Pros, you might need the 60. Not sure, but look, it's not bad. I thought it was gonna have this name on it, but it actually doesn't have a name on it. And this is, as you saw, was not the same. So it's actually better that this wasn't included. I thought it was a little cheesy. But yeah. Anyway. So this is it. For half the price. Thanks for watching.